Our beloved leader, His Highness Sheikh Mohamed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Baba Mohamed, Your Highness, the Royal Majesty, the beacon of light, the pride of the UAE, and the leader, strong and composed. Your Highness, you lead the nation and we follow. You remain our lighthouse. Our allegiance and loyalty are true to your leadership. We at Maryland International School, Abu Dhabi, are ever grateful under your guidance. God bless you as you lead the UAE to be an abode of peace, prosperity, harmony, and discipline.
Leading us in sunshine bright, a nation guided in unity.
Under the banner of the UAE, he stands the chieftain of the pride.
From Zayed's dreams,
A legend was born, a guiding light for all to seek,
to see and stand.
through every tide. He walks with strength to lead us all. Baba Mohammed, strong and free, he is the pride of the UAE. With courage high and hearts aligned, a nation shining all the time. Baba Mohammed, wise and kind, a beacon burning far and wide. He is the pride of the lion, UAE. He walks amidst the roaring sea. He's tried to cross the desert storm. Beloved by every heart he meets.
A leader steady, brave and warm.
With open hands he welcomes all. From every land, both great and small.
To a home of faith, of trusted grace.
Where unity holds its rightful place. Baba Mohammed, strong and free, he is the pride of the UAE. With courage high and hearts aligned,
And the nation shining all the time.
Baba Mohammed, wise and kind, a beacon burning far and wide. He is the pride of the lion, UAE. From Zayed's dream to here he stands. One heart, one flag, one faithful land. Across the dunes, across the storms, he leads us proud. He leads us on. Baba Mohammed, strong and free.
He's the pride of the UAE.